In this video, I'll show you how to install 100% save file in GTA 5. Check my video description for this 100% save file. Download. It's download done, right click on the RAR file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Go back to app data and open roaming. Open this EMU saves GTA 5 random number. And if you already have save in here, you need to back up your game progress before dropping this. Create a new folder, name this folder backup, and then drag and drop your game progress inside. Drag and drop the 100% save file in this location, and now you can start the game. To want to override this, select the yes option. And press escape key and go to stats. 100% checklist, everything is completed. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.